Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we're going to discuss what SOS only means on iPhone and how to fix it. First, let's talk about what SOS only means. SOS only means your iPhone cannot connect to your carrier's network, but it can still make emergency calls using any available network nearby. You won't have normal calls, mobile data, or SMS. Common reasons: this usually happens because of weak or no network coverage, SIM card issues, carrier outages, software glitches, incorrect network settings. And it may also happen more with eSIM cards. Now here, as you can see, when I grab my phone, here on the top right side you can see SOS only. Then here you have SOS only when I scroll down and see my data and so on. Now in order to fix this issue, here's the issue and here it tells you the explanation. Now in order to fix this issue, you want to go to the settings of your phone and go to cellular below the Bluetooth section. Then you want to go and choose the eSIM card that you have. Then you want to go and click on turn on this line or delete this eSIM card. Then scroll down again and click on add eSIM card. Once you click on add eSIM card, you should use the QR code in order to scan the QR code of your provider or carrier of the network, or you can transfer from nearby iPhone and add the SIM card. After that, you'll have to provide the activation code of your eSIM card. And this is how to fix it. And you may also face this issue if you are in somewhere that do not have any signal, like in the desert and on mountains and so on. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.